Once upon a time, in the heart of an ancient forest, there stood a tree unlike any other. This tree, known to the villagers as Elderglow, was said to have grown from a seed planted by the moon itself. Its bark shimmered with a silvery hue, and its leaves glowed with an ethereal light that never dimmed, even in the darkest night. Legends whispered that Elderglow possessed magical properties. It was said to grant wishes to those who approached it with a pure heart. Many had ventured into the forest seeking the tree, but only a few ever found it, guided by an inner light that seemed to draw them toward its luminescence. One such seeker was a young girl named Leora. She had heard stories of Elderglow from her grandmother, who had once glimpsed its glow as a child. Leora's village was suffering from a terrible drought, and the crops were failing. Determined to save her people, she set out on a journey to find the magical tree and wish for rain. With nothing but a small bag of provisions and her grandmother's tales to guide her, Leora ventured deep into the forest. The dense canopy of leaves overhead filtered the sunlight into a soft, green glow, and the air was filled with the songs of birds and the rustling of unseen creatures. As she walked, she felt a strange sensation, as if something was gently tugging at her heart, urging her onward. After days of wandering, just as her hope began to wane, Leora saw a soft, silvery glow ahead. Her heart leapt with joy as she approached the radiant tree. Elderglow stood tall and majestic, its branches stretching toward the sky like welcoming arms. With reverence, Leora knelt before the tree and closed her eyes. She whispered her wish for rain, not for herself, but for her village, her family, and the life that depended on the precious water. As she finished her plea, a gentle breeze rustled Elderglow's leaves, and a single, glowing leaf detached, drifting slowly down to rest in Leora's hands. She felt a surge of warmth and a sense of calm as the leaf dissolved into a fine, silvery mist that enveloped her. Leora returned to her village, her heart filled with hope. The very next day, dark clouds gathered in the sky, and a gentle rain began to fall. The parched earth drank deeply, and the villagers rejoiced, dancing in the long-awaited rain. The crops began to recover, and life returned to the land. Leora's journey became a cherished tale, told and retold through generations. Elderglow continued to stand, a beacon of hope and magic in the ancient forest, waiting for the next pure heart in need of a wish. And so, the legend of the magical tree endured, reminding all who heard it that sometimes, the purest wishes, made with the most selfless hearts, can indeed come true.